When we talk about something that is mutable, we talk about something that can be changed or updated after its creation. So for mutable infrastructure, you can continue making changes and updates to the existing object, and there is no need to recreate it with the new configuration. In contrast to mutable infrastructure, we have immutable infrastructure. When we talk about an infrastructure object that is immutable, we talk about an object that can't be changed, updated, or modified after its creation. So if you have some changes or updates to apply, you can't apply them to the current object. The only way to apply them is to destroy the old version of the object and to create a new object with the updated configuration.